5 is on limitations. Limitations are very important to be mentioned in an SLR paper, and here I give you many different examples of how to write limitation section effectively. I also talk about validity threats, and there are 3 videos on this topic that cover what it means by validity threats and how you should write them. We then talk about research implications and practical implications. These are also important sections. Moving on to module 5, this is on writing the future work section. There are many examples that I have given here on how you can write a proper future work section and how you can relate the future work to the work, thematic map that you have created earlier on. That connection has to exist, and this is what is covered in this section. And finally, we come to the conclusion section, which is recapping entire research, your SLR paper, and deriving the main conclusions. I've given 5 different examples for you to follow from here and help you write this section. So this is what you can see, a very comprehensive course on systematic literature review that you would not find anywhere else, any other course that goes into this level of detail and this level of thoroughness. The amount of examples that I have given, the number of videos that are included in this course are just too thorough, too detailed. And my vision is that if you follow this course step by step, complete the activities that I have asked you to complete, you will complete your systematic literature review paper without any problem at all. Okay, on this note, I will like to say thank you for listening to this video. Please join this course, and I'm very confident that you will have a high quality systematic literature review paper ready to go into a top journal.
Also looking for new campus ambassadors. If you would like to represent me, please join my WhatsApp group for campus ambassadors. Link is in the description below. That's all I have to say in this video. I'm Vidy Potdar. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in my next video.